To connect your Eufy C10 with iPhone, first of all, you will need to download Eufy Clean app from the App Store. So just look for the Eufy Clean. It should look like this, and then we can download and open this app. Now inside I have this robot connected, but after a moment it should go away. Okay, so here we have it. It's ready to be connected. So what we need to do is click on Add Device. In the search devices, look for Eufy C10. Select it, then make sure that your device is powered on. You can either do it by clicking and holding power button for 3 seconds, or just simply plugging your entire robot to the charging station that is also connected to power. After that, it will start. Give it a while until you hear a music prompt, and then confirm that your device is powered on and move to the next step. Now we need to reset a Wi-Fi settings, so click on Home button and Power button at the same time for 3 seconds until you hear a prompt saying that the Wi-Fi reset is complete.
Follow the instructions in
Confirm it and move to the next step. Here you will need to allow any permissions that pop up, so we need to go to the Bluetooth permissions and allow it, and precise location service while using the app. Now start connecting. Wait until your robot is found and click on Connect. Next step is to select the Wi-Fi network. It only supports 2.4 networks, so keep that in your mind. Pick a network and then enter a password for that network. So now it's connecting and we need to wait until the entire process is finished. So here we have it, our device is ready, and that concludes that setup. So thanks so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please consider subscribing.